Look around. Oh my God. Mommy, this is actually real snow. This is real snow.
So, but do you think it's fake? This child think it's fake because guess what? It is her second time seeing snow, so she's so excited. She said, "No, this seems like they spray the place white." The last time it happens, like you wake up, you saw the leaves, and then in the morning you wake up and it's, oh my God, it's white. So she's thinking the same.
You good.
Hey, Papi, look what he is doing. He's eating it.
I ate it too.
You too?